Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Yeah, Nisha's vlog.
Yeah.
We're gonna guess Tralala, Tralala, and sing from the Brainwell Theater. First up, there's a shark live in the sea, plus live in the sea, and plus have Nike shoes, and plus walk on this world.
Is it Tralalero Tralala?
Yes! Is your turn, Cassie?
She's a coffee, but she's a boy and she's holding a two knife.
Okay. Cappuccino assassino.
Correct!
Okay, it's my turn. It's a banana plus monkey.
Hey, dapat magka-count ka. Is it Bumburdilo Crocodile? Is it Jimbanzini Bananini Wawawa?
Yes!
I almost lost.
Okay. It's your turn.
She's a coffee, but she's wearing a red dress.
Ballerina cappuccino. Ballerina cappuccina.
And me.
Ballerina cappuccina. Me.
Okay, correct. Your turn. Your turn.
I was going to heaven. This is it's a crocodile plus airplane plus it have bombs in his ass.
Is it Bumburdilo Crocodile?
No, it's Tralala. I was joking. It's correct.
Loko siya, guys. Oh, ako naman?
Yeah.
She's a bird. No. She's holding a bat and then she turned a bat.
Tung sa hula. I know, tung.
I am not finished yet. And then she's strong.
Dun.
Correct! Guys, maghintay na lang kayo sa part 2. Malapit na ito matapos. Bye!